Good morning, students. From today onwards, we'll start our new lesson, that is chapter 9, our forest and wildlife. So, do you know the meaning of forest? So, everybody knows forest means jungle, okay, where the plants and trees were getting more, okay, or the greenery areas due to heavy rain. Okay, if the rain is there means we will get many varieties of plants, okay, especially in northern India we will found many or various types of forest or trees. So in India we have many types of trees, okay, which is found in different forest. So we are going to discuss today. First of all, forest means jungle and wildlife. In wildlife, so whatever living things we are getting, like animals, wild animals, okay, how they are living, how they are eating, how they are doing in the forest, okay, by the wild animals, that is called the life of the wild animals which is live in the forest or the jungle. In shortcut we can say jungle also, okay. So I'm going to read the chapter, so listen carefully everyone. A forest is a large area of land covered with different types of trees and trees and plants. Since many trees and plants in forest grow naturally, they are also known as natural vegetation. So here a large area which is covered with different types of trees and plants. If we see any of the particular area, there is covered with different trees or different plants in large area, so that is called the forest, okay. And we will see various types of trees, plants in that forest. And some of the trees, many of the trees grow naturally. If grow naturally means we call it natural vegetation. We cannot go and grow and plant them there, okay. They grow automatically by or naturally, that is called the natural vegetation. Understand? Forests are useful to us in many ways. Forests are useful in many ways. Number one, they check floods and prevent soil erosion. So here, if many trees are there in that particular area, it means it prevents the soil erosion. How? Because it holds the moss or the soil tightly. It cannot allow them to move easily with the flood. Okay, it means it prevents the soil erosion. Soil erosion means, first of all, you try to understand the soil erosion. Soil erosion means removal of soil from one place to another in the flood, okay. Number two, they attract rain and give shelter to a variety of wild animals. It is necessary. If there is forest, so water will necessity, okay, water will get, and it is the shelter of many wild animals. Understand? Shelter means home, house for various wild animals. Forest also provide us with good wood, gum, resin, honey, rubber, and many medicines. So by the forest we can get wood, gum, resin, honey, rubber, and many medicines. Forests maintain a balance between the level of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. They take in carbon from the atmosphere and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. So, forests are also called the lungs of the earth. So, why forests are called the lungs of the earth? Because every human living beings are depend on oxygen, okay. we are going to take the oxygen from the forest or the trees, okay, and whatever we are exhale carbon dioxide they need during the photosynthesis, okay. So it maintains the level of the carbon dioxide and atmosphere. That's why we have to plant more and more trees around us also, because trees gives us oxygen which is very important to us. And forests are also called the lungs of the earth. Trees in forest hold the soil with their roots and help in protecting it from being carried away by wind and water. Yes, it is the same on the top, which is their erosion. It prevents the soil erosion. How? I told you earlier, because its root hold the soil or mud tightly. It cannot allow them to go easily with the flood or in water or wind. Forests provide shelters to a large number of animals and birds. It is also there. It is the shelter of many wild animals as well as many birds. There are mainly 5 types of forest in India. If we are saying in India, there are different types of forest which is mainly found in 5 types of forest in our country. Number 1, evergreen forest. Number 2, deciduous forest. Number 3, thorn forest. Number 4, coniferous forest. And number 5, tidal forest. These are the forest which is mainly found in our country. So class, for today this much only. You go through all these lines thoroughly and try to understand each and every line. Thank you.